Many data types which accepts 4. What are is it clear? Okay, so just let me try to remove this and I will be going with A. Okay, this is switch. Inside the switch, what I need to write? Cases. Okay, just let me try to write some cases. CAC, case 10, like this. Case 10. Inside this case, I'm writing system.out.println case 10 executed, executd, executed. Like this, just let me try to write some more cases, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. So let me make this as 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50. Now here also 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now, yes, I just want to write one more small statement, that is system.out.println compiler came out from the switch. Compiler came out from the switch. Okay. Now my question is, for example, if I'm giving a value as 50, I'm giving a value as 50. Okay, just let me try to go to my main method. Okay, main method. Now inside my main method, just let me try to create an object, new class a dot method 1. I'm directly trying to call my method 1. Okay, now if I execute my program, what is my output? Implementing switch case will be printed. Come on. Yes, it will be printed. Now, guys, please listen to me. Please listen to me. In switch, what will be happening, key value should be matching with the label value. Guys, these are cases, and what are these? These are respond labels. These are cases and these are labels. Now what I am trying to say is label value. Which label value, please listen guys, please listen. Which label value matched with the key value, that case should be getting executed. Are you understanding me guys? So here, what is the key value? Tell me, what is the key value? I mean, A is actually 50. Come on, are you getting me guys? A value is 50. And how many case labels we are having? 5 case labels. So, what is my expected output? Case 10, case 20, case 30, case 40 or case 50? Which one? Right click, run as Java application. Case 50 executed. Am I clear with this? Please tell me. Right. Now, guys, once again I am saying you, in switch, we can write multiple cases. Any number of cases. There is no restriction. You can write any number of cases. Okay. For which case label matched with the key value, that case should be getting executed. Up to now, is it clear guys for everyone? Okay. Now, for example, I am making A value as 30. I am getting A value as 30. What is my expected output? Case 30 executed should be printed. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. Did we got case 30? Did we got case 30? Yes. Along with case 30, did we got anything else? Yeah. Case 40, case 50. What just happened? Let me do one thing. I'm trying to give A value as 20. Right click, run as Java application. From case 20, all the cases are getting executed. If I give case 40 now, 40 and 50. This is not my expected output. I want only a single case to be getting executed. Guys, are you understanding me? If you want to make only a single case getting executed, we should be using break statement. We should be using a break statement. Just let me try to write like this: break, like this. Guys, most of the time, people will be thinking that whenever the compiler came across break statement, the program will be terminated. Most of the time, people will be thinking like that. Break statement. What break statement will be doing? Break statement will terminate the program. That is completely wrong. Break statement will not terminate the program. Your compiler will just come out from the block or loop. For example, guys, I am giving A value as 30. Guys, please observe. Right now, I am giving A value as 30. Means, what is the key value? 30. Okay. Case 10. Is it matching with the key value? No. So, compiler will never execute this. It will not even enter also. Leave that. Case 20. Is it matching with the key value? No. So, remaining statements will not be getting executed. Case 30. Is it matching with the key value? Yes. Okay. System.out.println. Case 30 executed. And after that, in line number 20, what we are doing, guys? break statement. Whenever the compiler came across break statement, it will just come out from the block. So after printing case 30 executed, we will be getting compiler came out from switch. Right click, run as Java application. Are you understanding me, guys? Now answer my question correctly. Is it mandatory to write a break statement? Mandatory. Is it mandatory to write a break statement? Without break statement, your program will not be getting executed. Come on. Now answer my question. Is it mandatory to write a break statement? No. It's not mandatory. But if we are not writing break statement, what will happen? From which case it got triggered, from that case onwards, all the case labels will be getting executed. In order to avoid that, we are using break statement. Am I clear with this, guys? Please tell me yes or no. Online students, please tell me. Up to now, is it clear, guys? Up to now, is it clear? Guys, online students, kindly please respond in the chat. Guys, please respond up to now, just up to now. Why we need to write break? Fantastic, very good, guys, very good. Just let me try to write some points here. Okay, now point number 5. Inside switch case, we can write multiple case labels. We can write any number of case labels, guys. It's not mandatory. There is no restriction for writing case labels. According to your programming requirements, you can write any number of cases. Right. Point number 6. If key value and case label value got matched, then that particular case should be executed. Point number 7. Writing break statement is not mandatory. But if we are not writing break statement, from the case that got matched with the key value, all the cases will be executed. In order to avoid that, we will be using break statement. Point number 9. If the compiler came across break statement, it will just come out from the loop. If the compiler came across break statement, it will just come out from the loop or block. program will not be terminated. If the compiler came across break statement, it will just come out from the loop or block. Program will not be terminated. Will not be terminated. Now, point number 10. Point number 10. Now, let us come back to our program once again. Guys, please observe here. For example, if I am giving my key value as 300. I'm giving my key value as 300. Now tell me, which case will be getting executed? Is there any case? Is there any case matching with the key value? No. So directly right click run as Java application. No case will be getting executed. Implementing switch case and compiler came out from switch. There is inside this switch, there is no case which is matching with the key value. In that scenarios, in those cases, if we mention a message, that would be great. Like we should be informing no case label is matching with the key value, or else something like invalid input. Are you getting me, guys? In order to make that, we should be writing one more case, that is DEFAULT, default case. Default case. Now just I'm trying to write system.out.println no case labels matched with the key value, like this. ALE, key value. Now let me execute. Right click, run as Java application. No case labels matched with the key value. For example, I am writing this. Is it visible? Is it visible, guys? For example, I am writing this default case in the starting. Okay? Concentrate. Guys, please concentrate. If you're not concentrating, you will be forgetting. Please concentrate. Right. Now, I will be making my A value as 10. Now tell me what is my output. Case 10 or no case labels matched with the key values will be printed. Are you sure? Observe, I have written default case in the very first starting. First default case. Right click, run as Java application. When default case will be getting executed? Default case will be getting executed only if no case label got matched with the key value. You can write default case starting of the switch, middle of the switch, ending of the switch, anywhere you can write. It will be getting executed only if no case label matched with the key value. Am I clear with this? Please tell me yes or no. Right. Let me just try to write that particular point also. If no case labels matched with the key value, then if no case labels matched with the key value, then in order to make the program more efficient, we need to write default case. default case will be getting executed only if no case labels matched with the key value. Default case will be getting executed only if no case labels matched with the key value. We can write default case anywhere in the switch. We can write default case anywhere. We can write default case anywhere in the switch. Anywhere, yeah, we can write it anywhere, no problem. Now, point number 11. Point number 11. Now, guys, please observe here. For example, in this program, if I give A value as 100, what is my output? Observe it correctly. Observe it correctly. Tell me the output correctly. Don't give me fast output. Louder. Default and case 10. Guys, okay. The output is, you are giving the key as 100. If you are giving the key value as 100, is there any case matching with that key? No. So which case will be getting executed? Default. Okay. System.out.println, no case labels match with the key value. After that, did you write any break statement? No. Then case 10 will be getting executed or not? Yes, it will be getting executed until it came across break statement. Right click, run as Java application. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Now, just in order to avoid that, we will be writing break statement inside default also. Is it clear, guys? But do you know what? If you are trying to write default case in the last, do you need a break statement? No. If you're writing the default case in the ending of the switch, no need to write break statement. But in the middle or else in the first, you need to write the break statement. Okay. Now my question is, okay, just let me try to make this, cut it in the last only. Let me keep it like this. Okay. Now, actually my question is here, these two statements belongs to which case? Come on. These two statements belongs to which case? Case 30. Now system.out.println, I'm just trying to write hello world. HELLOWORLD. Hello world, like this. Now this statement belongs to which case? Don't say switch case. Did you understand my question? This case, this statement belongs to which case? It is an independent statement that does not belongs to any case. In switch, you cannot write independent statements. Every statement should be belonging to a case. So, the point, independent statements are not allowed in switch. Independent statements are not allowed in switch. Now, for example, guys, I am giving case as here 20. Why I'm getting an error? Oh, just a sec. Let me try to keep this in comment. And here I'll be getting compile time error. This is compile time error. Now, please tell me why I'm getting an error. I'm sorry. Duplicate cases. Guys, this is case 20. There is one more case 20. So, which case should be getting executed? Are you understanding me, guys? That is the reason it is an error. So, what I want to say is duplicate case labels are not allowed. Just let me try to write like this. Duplicate case labels are not allowed. Duplicate case labels are not allowed. Independent statements are also not allowed. Independent statements are not allowed, just not allowed. And duplicate case labels are also not allowed. Leave that. Or not allowed. Okay. Now, next point. Point number 12. Next point. Right. Point number 12. Just let me try to make it as 30. Okay. 30. Now, guys, for example, in the place of 30, can I write capital A? I'll do one thing. Just let me try to write JAVA, Java. Am I getting an error? Why I am getting an error? Yeah, string, but why? Tell me a reason. Why? Key and value data types should be compatible, not same. Compatible. So, what is the data type of key? Integer. So, is this string compatible with int? No. So, in the place of string, can we go with like capital A? Yes? Come on. Now, this case, just let me try to write like a small statement. Int and char both are compatible data types. Okay. Now, when int and char both are compatible data types. Now, my question is, when this case will be getting executed? When? What 65? Key value should be 65. Come on, guys, yes or no? So, I'll just go with A. What is A value? What is A value? 100. If I want to get 65, minus, can I go with 35 like this? Let me execute, right click, run as Java application. Are you understanding me, guys? Now, my question is, can we write an expression also? Yeah, we can do that. That is an expression here. For example, here also, I'll just try to write plus 1. Now, what is the total value of this case? 66. If I want to get 66, minus 30. Let me execute, right click, run as Java application. Am I getting the data here? So, expressions are allowed both for key and labels also. Am I clear with this? Just let me try to write that point also. In switch, we can write EXPRESSONS, expressions also. In switch, we can write expressions also. Both for key and case labels. Both for keys and case labels. Dot. Now, next point. Guys, for example, byte. Please concentrate. Byte. Just let me go with B equal to. Okay, let me go with like 20. In the place of A minus 34, can I go with B? Can I write B here? Yes or no? How many data types switch accepts? What are those? Byte, short and char. Okay, just let me try to be. Am I getting any error? No. Why I am getting an error? Range. What is the range of byte? Minus 128 to 127. Now tell me why we are getting an error. What you conclude? Tell me. What is your conclusion? Label value must be within the range of the key data type. Guys, yes or no? Let me just try to write it here also. Label value must be within the range of the key data type. Just let me try to make this as 13th point. Label value must be within the range of the key data type. Within the range of the key data type. Is it clear? Please tell me. Right. Now. Okay, fine. B. Guys, this is a question for you. B plus 5. Why my error got resolved? Perfect. Guys, did you remember when I discussed about primitive data types? I said arithmetic operation will give you the result in either int or long, I said. Right now, here, B. What is B value? Tell me. 20. Plus 5. What is the result? 25. What is this 25? It is no longer byte. It will be considered as int. Now, is 200 within the range of the int? That's it. Done. No problem. Online students, is it clear, guys? Online students, please tell me, is it clear? Please respond in the chat. Right. Fantastic. Very good, guys. Very good. Now, one last point, guys. Once again, I am saying you, whenever you are trying to perform an arithmetic operation, the result will be converted into either int or long. Previously, if you are giving just B value, we are getting an error here. Why we are getting an error? Because 200 is more than the range of byte. What is the range of byte? Minus 128 to 127. But here you are giving 200. That is the reason you are getting an error. For example, if I am writing B plus 5, 25, the result is 25. 25 is not byte. What is the 25? It is a int. Is 200 within the range of int? Yes, so that is the reason we are not having any error. Am I clear with this? Now, one last final question, guys. Byte C equal to 40. Byte C equal to 40. Now, in the place of 40, here, in the place of 40, can I give C here? Yes or no? I need answers from everyone. Guys, just guess what happens. Just guess. Can we give? Okay. I'm giving C. Am I getting an error? Why? Data type is? Data type is? Okay, guys. Tell me one thing. Just let us imagine. Here, what is C value? Tell me. I need response. C value is 40. Okay. When this case will be getting executed? When? If the key value is 40. Okay. Now what is C value? Come on. What is C value? When this case will be getting executed? 41. Okay. For example, C++. Now 42. Are you understanding the confusion here, guys? Compiler should consider which C value. You are going on changing the C value. No, that is not possible here. Always remember, guys, case labels should be compile time constants. No one should be able to change them. So, if I want to make a constant, I'll be declaring that variable as final. Final is a keyword. Final is a keyword just like static. Final is also a keyword. If you are declaring a variable as final, you cannot change the value of a final variables. Final variables are constants. Now, I'm getting here, I should not write like this. I'll be getting a compile time error. Here also, I should not write like this. I'll be getting a compile time error. Why I'll be getting a compile time error? Why? Because final variables are constant. We cannot change the value of C. We cannot change the value of C. Why we cannot change the value of C? Why we cannot change the value of C? Because it is final. Are you understand me, guys? Are we having any error? No. So what I want to conclude here is just last point, that is case labels should be compile time constants. Case labels should be compile time constants. Guys, this C is not character. What is this? It is an identifier. Come on, guys, yes or no? This is not a character. This is a character. Did you remember always character should be present inside single quotes? This is a character. This is an identifier name. I hope it's clear, guys. Please have this program for me.